me here. I tried to call Hasbro on this one, but it didn't really work. So now I'm calling Hasbro for the probably 20th time already in this hour. I called them last hour, an hour ago, and it's just not working out. Maybe I'm just bad at mobile, I don't know. And this phone does not do, this phone does not do speaker, so I'll just tell you what to say afterwards. So, insert the number 91. What do you mean? What do you mean? Get away from me! What 5-digit number? What do you mean? Maybe if I just... What? Okay, so this is the telephone, and this is the fax. What is registration number? But what is this? Telephone. Alright, I'm gonna try this one then. 051 3311. You see, it's different in places, and it just says here, so I'm just copying what it is. But then. Hello. I would like to ask about the old LPS. Or Lola's Pet Shop. Oh no, it's okay, because I'm busy, but thank you anyway. Okay, bye. Well, that was crap. It was noise in the background. There was people talking in the background. She said, if you give me your number, I will call you back talking about the LPS. But I don't want that because my mom will be home. She's like, why is Hasbro calling this house? Did you steal something? Did you buy something? And I'm like, I just wanted the old LPS back. And it's just, what is wrong with this? Can I call like the USA one? This one is like for Ireland, and I don't know why I went to this one. I might just try the English one as well. I'm like trying everything right now. I'm like, what is going on here? I was like, I'm very like shy, so I cannot talk to people that well. Is that a 5-digit? No, it's not a 5-digit number. It's just not working. It's just not working. Alright, so let's try and take away the plus 44. So maybe that's what you meant to do. I don't call on this phone that often. I just normally call my grandma, which is already in the book right here. And this is so annoying. Why would anybody let me answer that? I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I didn't sleep a wink last night. Like, I fell asleep at 6 o'clock. Like, 6 o'clock this morning until 12, but my dad was ringing me saying he can't come home for lunch. So, where was I again? Okay. 770. Got a text from, okay, there I am, doing work here. Hopefully this works. This does not work. What are you doing? What are you doing with me? Maybe if I do... where are you guys from? Where's the most place where... Is it, Atlanta? New York? New York. Let's just try this.